Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will be showing you how you can remove your hard drive or SSD SATA drive from your PC.
We do not care.
First thing you want to do is to remove your side panel. For me currently I have to pull this and to pull this up, but I mean you will maybe need to take it out in some other ways. But anyways, when you did it, you want now to literally flip your PC like this, and then when you see all your cables and all of that. When you locate your SATA/HDD drive, you want to unplug these cables like this, plug them out, take out the HDD. You will take it out, but you just need to press this and this on the other side, and now just pull up like this and put it somewhere. Then when you did that, you want to remove this because you want to replace your hard drive. So you will remove it like this, and there we go. Here's our HDD SATA drive. And now when you have your HDD drive that you want to put next, you want to locate these holes. If you see them, these three holes, you'll need, if you have this with three or two holes, I currently have it two, you want to put it something like this, and just make sure that these ports are open and that nothing is coming on their place. So when you put it right, you just want to pull this somehow and just press it in like this, and the other side too. It's really hard. I mean, with one hand it's really hard. Oh my god, bro, why does... oh my... okay, like this. Here's our brand new HDD. I'm using the same one because I don't have any other. So, and then you did it. You want to put your hand like this right here, locate it, and just put it in the oh my god, in this hole, bro. What the... I can't. Look at this. Look at this. It's stuck. It's stuck like this, bro. It's stuck. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, it needs to go on the other way. Then, yeah, I'm stupid. You see, like that, and that's it. Now locate the cables, and this will have this notch like L right here, if you see it, and you want it to be like this, bigger on the HDD, as you can see. And now just put it... oh my god, bruh. Just wait. I'm dumb. I like this, and press like that. Then you want to locate your SATA. I think it's, yeah, SATA drive for delivering what's its name, data. So you want to locate your cable for delivering data from your SATA drive or HDD drive, and it will have that too, like an L right there, and you want to put it like this, and now just press it, and yeah, that's it.